What is connectionism? First of all, the term connectionism is too broad that pinning down its exact meaning is next to impossible. In fact, the term connectionism embraces quite a number of disciplines, such as philosophy of mind, neuroscience, cognitive psychology, cognitive science, and artificial intelligence. So, the least that we can do in terms of making sense of the meaning of the term connectionism is to define it according to specific disciplines. In philosophy of mind and neuroscience, connectionism refers to the ability of the human mind to make intellectual connections between different areas of knowledge. Scholars in this field call this as neural networking. In psychology in general, the term refers to the theory that all mental processes can be described as the operation of inherited or acquired bonds between stimuli and responses. In computational theory of the mind, the human brain is considered as an information processor. Connectionism in computational theory of the mind, therefore, suggests that the human brain is like a system capable of coding the information coming from the environment, modifying it, and extracting new information from it. Moreover, the human brain, as a system in itself, incorporates new data gathered in a continuum of inputs and outputs. In the field of artificial intelligence, connectionism is understood as an approach that developed out of the attempt to understand how the human brain works at the neural level, and in particular, how people learn and remember. Scholars in this field call this approach as neuronlike computing. In the field of education, connectionism was popularized by Edward Thorndike. Thorndike's model of connectionism theory claims that learning is active and that it is achieved when an individual is able to form association between a particular stimulus and response. Now, although we cannot have a single absolute definition of the term connectionism, we can come up with a common understanding of the term based on the different definitions just mentioned. So, as we can see, connectionism is a theory that is based on the principle of association, that is, association of elements or ideas in order to model mental and behavioral phenomena in the context of interconnected networks rather than discrete fields. Here, elements or ideas become associated with one another through experience, forming complex ideas that can be explained through a set of simple rules.